So week 4 would be the final sprint before the exam. This will be when you will schedule the exam and start with a light revision. Then you will do mock tests plus speed drills like you did last week, followed by a final week area final pass. So you will do like a focus sessions on two of the weakest domains that you have and revise everything about it. And then on the last day, you will rest and make sure that you review your notes and get proper sleep and proper meal, and you are ready for the exam. So why is insect mentorship outperforming other methods of study, and why is it better than self-study? So in self-studying, you have no one to explain to you the wrong answers. You are not able to judge your exam readiness. You can also start reading and by mistake prepare for the wrong with using the wrong study material. You can easily get distracted as you do not have any accountability, and people get to become lazy during self-studying. You do not have any experienced person to guide you through scenario-based questions, and no one will help you through the lengthy application process of PMI. So with INSET, we make sure that all of these problems are taken care of. We give you a personal mentor that explains every wrong answer. Also, we have a weekly diagnostic where we check whether you are keeping up with the plan or not, and everything that all the study materials that we provide is ECO aligned and there is nothing extra. Also, we have daily accountability check-ins as well as a study schedule calendar. We have a proprietary scenario question logic coaching that will help you answer all the scenario-based questions, followed by a full assistance during application and scheduling of the actual exam. So what are you waiting for? Your next step towards your CPMAI success should be enrolling in our INSEC CPMAI certification training program. For more information on this topic and for free counseling, you can visit our website or also WhatsApp us on this number. I hope this presentation was informational, and thank you.